we're gonna do it tastefully clap style.
I like that. Let's keep it tastefully clapped.
Technology is pretty advanced.
Hey, what's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Now I'm here today with CY, and we're here on another day back in paradise. Wouldn't you say so, CY?
Oh man, I couldn't imagine being anywhere else other than here right now.
Well, unfortunately we won't be working on the Suzuki today, but I think that'll be for another day. But we're actually working on the Mazda 2. We just did a quick little unboxing.
It's like not even painted.
We took the hood off.
See what you think anything's aligned on this thing?
Oh, the back end definitely.
Just get it to stay.
Oh my god. And we got the new crash beam.
Look at this. This is mint.
I know, it looks really good.
This is a beautiful crash beam.
Hopefully it doesn't get smushed like this one. So this one is currently being held by, you guessed it, a jack upside down, and we're gonna try and fit this over here. But the issue that we are having is the clutch wasn't engaging because I think it was being smushed because it's right down there. I don't know if you guys can see. And then we have the radiator, which has a hole in it. So we need to replace this, but we're just trying to find the best solution to undo the zip ties, bring all this down without hurting the AC. Now the condenser lines run this way, but unfortunately if we drop all of this to the ground, it may hurt the lines. And CY, you probably want AC in this thing, right?
Yeah, it's still right now beginning of September, which in Washington State is a fairly hot environment.
Yeah, but I think people, even if it's like 65 degrees outside, they'll start complaining.
Oh yeah,
Be like, oh,
we need it. We need to be chill.
we need the AC on full blast when it's 55 out.
So we just took off the old crash beam. You can see it's nice and smushed. And we got the new one right next to it.
See why you want to try and mock it up and see how far off we are? Wouldn't that just be sweet if it just
lined up?
Mm-hmm. Even if we get one bolt here, CY, I think we'd be in business.
Yeah.
Or we use 27 zip ties.
Yep, either way. Plastic technology is pretty advanced.
Wow, I think CY, I think it looks pretty good.
It does.
This looks very promising. I was kind of discouraged, but this looks really good.
This is gonna be easy.
Did you pull this from your cubicle from 1987? What is
probably
this?
Out of my trapper keeper.
I swear if I break this on camera, I'm really sorry.
Oh yeah, okay, that's good. I like it.
Look at that, come on.
That's quality right there.
That's technician right there.
Leverage. Oh, I got it.
Oh,
Sweet.
just be careful, you're gonna break some knuckles there.
I got 10.
You got 10. It's like when you hit something on the road.
Yep.
How's that fan looking?
I'm sure it'll spin, but the shroud is like all dislocated.
It looks very crunchy. I think we could save this.
Yeah, I feel like
This you could
it's just
zip
cracked.
This you could zip tie. This is like actually where I agree with you that you could zip tie this. Or even we could cut these little bits off that are getting in the way.
Yeah. I feel like this is reconstructible.
Oh yeah, definitely. It'll be much easier when we install it onto the new one.
Right.
Can we line these up just to make sure that it's the correct one? I think it's right.
Oh, it's 100% right. I can recognize all the pieces of the part.
Yeah, that's spot on.
Yeah.
Oh man, it'd just be nice because we need that to be on there. So it goes in there.
Yeah.
Man, that's a bummer. Do you think people that talk to themselves are like the same as people that like talk to their pets?
No. No, well, yes and no. I think talking to your pets is akin to like It's like free therapy.
It really is free therapy. Like dogs and cats and any creature
Yeah.
is just a therapist almost for a human
Well,
being.
it allows you to sort of speak your mind without fear of judgment. Because what dog or cat? Well, they could judge you, but you'll never know.
I guess they could physically judge you. Maybe they have like a
Yeah, but
irk
anything
reaction.
you say, like as much as you want to talk to them, they don't understand. They might understand the vibe of what you're saying, but they have no sense about your deep, embarrassing inner secrets. They don't care. They don't really care.
Yeah, and plus for the dog or the cat, it's the same way as we just hear barking. They just hear us making
Right. Oh,
noises.
you're so angry, or you're upset. I'm sorry. That's really terrible. Yeah. Inside their head, they're like, "Oh, human. It seems you're sad. That's really too bad. You should have a drink out of your water bowl. Try that. That might make you feel better."
It actually does help a lot.
Yeah.
Don't hate on my water bowl. Okay, so just as a quick update for you guys, we just got back from the auto parts store, and unfortunately, they don't have a non-universal fan setup.
Right.
So what
Their universal is a little too universal. Like it would require some modifications to our broken fan casing I just didn't feel comfortable with it. And I think I can find a proper fan that fits the things that just have to be bent back into shape
100%.
in the next 24 hours.
You think that quickly in the next 24 hours?
I don't know. I got to believe in myself. Who else am I going to believe in? Right?
Yeah, that is true.
So we're going to go with that. I instead of believing in O'Reilly's, I'm going to believe in myself. I'm going to get this fan. I'm going to put this thing back together.
I didn't realize this was going to get so philosophical, but
Everything was philosophical.
even this thing, it actually looks really good.
It does. Once you put a hood over the icky parts, like it looks like a car again.
I know.
Should I try opening it?
Sure, why not?
Oh, ooh, it's a little floppy.
Oh.
Oh, it's holding it together.
Okay. Maybe we keep that there for.
Right there. That's structure now.
So we actually took off the hood, and we tried massaging this out a little bit. You can see our craftsmanship as a. Yes, exactly, our handiwork. It really works for what it is. I mean, what are we gonna do with this? It's like you go out and you replace it.
I think the critical part is we put new hinges on it. So now, previously the hinges were bent just so it would close. And now that we've got new hinges on it, we got to make sure that it's still going to close and not kind of lopsided. So we are obligated to straighten out the hood a bit.
Yeah, and I think it's kind of funny how we put on brand new hinges onto this hood. But
It is literally the newest thing on the car right now.
Oh yeah, probably will be the newest thing.
If I list this for sale, the first thing will be like has new hood hinges, and maybe that's going to bring the buyers. Some people are like new battery, which always is like a secret code for haven't started this in like 3 years.
Or no. The best one is like where they say it started 2 years ago.
Right.
Ran 2 years
when
ago.
parked.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's always the case.
Yeah.
But this is even better from that because it actually runs.
Yeah.
Well,
Couldn't get it in gear.
it starts.
Gotta bleed the clutch. It starts, yeah. Idles sounds great.
It actually does sound really good. I'm really impressed with this little car. So we had to put a halt to things, just unfortunately due to getting parts. So we're making like a little bit of a front lawn collection of paperweights.
I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna make it look good.
You gonna clean it up tonight?
I am. I'm gonna just like put things in a nice little pile.
In the living room? Well, yeah, I guess you guys will have to stay tuned for the next episode. See if we can actually put this thing together. But I'm feeling pretty optimistic. I think the biggest win for us is really just having this here. It's such a blessing because for whatever...
This basically holds the whole thing together.
Oh,
Because,
yeah.
like the radiator hangs off it, the hood latch hangs off it, like the front end and basically it's mission critical to this thing just being assemblable.
I know. I guess we could just put some lights on it and call it good.
Yeah, actually, we just found a way to put this housing on, and we got that universal fan. We could race with this.
I mean, you guys are the zip tie experts. I mean, we just put like 5,000 of those zip ties and call it good.
Yeah, we could do that. But we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it tastefully clapped style.
I like that. Let's keep it tastefully clapped. Anyways, we'll wrap the video up here. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. What? What's so funny?
A call to action. Like and subscribe.
All right, you see why you could say it from now on.
Yeah, okay. But
What?
wait. We just made it awkward. You have to edit this out.
I'm not gonna edit it out.
Okay.
All right.
Right.
Cheers.
B-roll.
You want to cheers the camera?
All right.
No, you gotta knock it.
Oh God.
This is totally going in the video.
Corny as fuck.
I know. Let's get out of here. See ya.